Hi, Mr. Okerlund's classes. It's Mrs. Dodson. I am here to announce the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm sure you've lost nights of sleep over this decision for the logo competition. I want to thank each and every one of you for participating and putting forth your best effort. Your creativity and ideas were really hard to choose from. I tried really hard to think how each one of those would tell the Give and Gain story and what it would look like on merchandise and letterheads. And the one that I ended up going with is one that emulates a story about just the whole world in general, how we have a mutualistic relationship with one another and things, and how we rely on one another to succeed and be the best we can be in this world. And that particular logo is the one that has the rhino and the bird. So you can see it there. And the reason I really love this one is because it is a true story and representation of how we truly need one another. The rhino depends on the bird to pick off parasites and ticks that are infesting his or her body, and the bird relies on the rhino as a food source. And so each one of them are able to accomplish this task by helping each other out while getting what they need in the end. And so when you look at Give and Gain, that's what Give and Gain is all about. It's giving to others and gaining a sense of self and accomplishment and belonging in this world. So I just want you to know that I appreciate each and every one of you for participating. I also want to recognize the ladies in P8 that put together this logo, this graphic. Morgan, Allie, London, Isabel, and Maddie are in P8, and I will be awarding them with some prizes. So don't tell them they won. Let them be surprised. The other thing I want you to do is to keep your eyes and ears open for future opportunities with Give and Gain, or maybe you have some ideas that you want to share. Our first group that is going to be put together is led by Miss Manstrom. It's called Baking Things Better, and they are going to be introducing themselves to our surrounding neighbors of Valley Middle School, and then they are going to use the Life Skills Kitchen to bake goodies and deliver them to our neighbors and kind of create that relationship, because we truly do need one another in this neighborhood. Well, I appreciate all of you very much, and I want to thank each and every one of you, and I want you to have a great day.